the first step would sort of be to like kind of take a step back and maybe like have a conversation sort of with oneself or a trusted other friend where these features don't emerge. There's an ability to kind of take stock of like, what do I feel like I'm contributing to this friendship? How do I feel the or perceive or experience the other person to be contributing to me? To sort of suss out like, does this seem pretty balanced or not? And then also, once that answer is derived, like when you reflect on it, what do you value in participating in a friendship? After getting that answer of like understanding what the other's contributing to you, if that contribution is not in line with what you value in a friendship, I actually think that one option that is very important to consider is that of feeling safe in leaving the friendship or making it much, much less sort of occupying in one's life. If it's determined that, well, on balance, this person offers me enough that's in line with what I want from a friendship, then the key tact would be to not feel diminished while being in contact with this person. Then if things begin to feel imbalanced or you notice that you're the one sort of reaching out more or things always seem to need to be on that person's terms, it may be important to feel licensed to challenge that and maybe insist on things going according to your plans at times. And so imagine it would require a lot of sticking to one's guns through the course of it and maybe experiencing some blowback, but maybe that would have to be a cost of doing business with a friend who's sort of this way.